Whether you are planning a family vacation, booking for business, or organizing the trip of a lifetime, L.L.C Pinas Travel and Tourism will help you make a more realistic travel plan. Our services are Transit Visa, Visit Visa, Inside Country Visa Change, Airport Transfer, Tours and Excursion, Hotel Booking, Air Tickets, and Worldwide Travel Insurance. We also have awesome packages to visit the world. Let's travel. Armenia, Georgia, Turkey, Azerbaijan, L.L.C Pinas Travel and Tourism can give their customers good services and the best deals. You can trust us with all aspects of your holiday, from the initial planning stages to your safe return home. You may contact us at 0 2 5 5 8 4 8 8 9 or visit our office during working hours at office number 506, Block A, 5th floor, Al-Saman Tower, Hamdan Street, in front of Capital Park, Abu Dhabi. Or locate us on Google Maps by typing L.L.C Pinas Travel and Tourism LLC.